Hey guys, what's up? It's me Shreya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to talk about the things that we are gonna pursue in our future. So this video is going to be interesting but also a kind of long at the same time. So grab your snacks and get your water bottle with you guys. So let's begin this video. तो आज हम इस वीडियो में बात करेंगे things that we will relate to our future. Yes. So as you know that we have passed our standard 10th board in this COVID situation in which our boards get cancelled by our honorable Prime Minister. For some students it is kind of disappointment, like they have prepared so hard. Even I have also prepared so hard for my boards examination to score good grades in it, but eventually the boards get cancelled. But some of the students didn't get affected that much because they already knew that this thing might can happen, like they are on the risk of 50-50. तो अब उनसे खैर ज़्यादा कुछ उम्मीद लगा नहीं सकते हैं क्योंकि they are not very much serious about their studies. But no matter, so everyone is going through a rough phase during their life in this COVID situation. So this thing made me to make this video on. So basically I'm going to clear out few points that will help you in your further futures. So let's get started. So the first thing that came into our mind is the good grades. Yes, as we all know that CBSE has still not published our result in the month of July. It might happen at the last of the July, or you can say the mid of the July, as a 10th grader that we can receive our results. So in this video I am going to discuss out few points that are really important as going to be a 11th grade student. So the first thing that came into our mind as a 11th grader is that stream. As a stream is very important, like it can change a student life like this. It means that if the student is fully motivated and know in which subject he or she has to pursue and make career in, so it will be very beneficial for them. Like they have to decide what they want to take in the future or pursue as their job. As I like to study science. Also you have to note down a very one important thing, that is your interest. So in which field or line you are interested in. Like there are so many lines like engineering, medical, being a CEO of a brand or a company, multinational company. You can also, if you are interested, you can also get into civil services jobs, or you can apply an application form this. But we are very little at this point of age, we don't have to think that much, but it is necessary that we have our fixed goal, that what we want to pursue in our future. As I want to pursue my career in the technical line, like IT, engineering, or the technical departments that are available in our country. I want to go in that faculty only. Very clear what I want to do. So I have made my mind that I want to take physics, chemistry, maths, and I have to do this anyhow and get good percentage to get into a best college that I can. सो एट दिस पॉइंट अब हमारे पास उतने टाइम नहीं है जो हम शुरू से अपनी प्लानिंग करें. सो हमारे पास जितने टाइम बचे हैं उतने में ही हमें सब चीज़ प्लान करना होता है. एट दिस एज पीपल ऑल्सो हैव सो मेनी मेंटल ब्रेकडाउन्स, लाइक दे go through so much anxiety. So even I have go through so much anxiety in these days. Like I am very confused, like how can I manage this study, how will I get to read that subject in this COVID situation. There are no offline tuitions available at this point. What will I do? Why I am wasting my time? But as soon as I have joined the classes, and I'm doing it online because there is no way to get out from the house in this situation. So I am doing an online studies. So in that, before I was not that much interested that I will understand each and everything well, but somehow I managed to do this. So I am continuing in my online classes, and so I'm also trying to improve my English skills. As you guys have seen, so selecting a good stream, not good, like we know now that stream system has been removed by education government. So many students are still not clear about that. Even I am also not clear that what is actually going on. जहाँ तक मुझे पता है, in this change of education system, we can choose any 5 subject that we want to pursue and build our career on. तो उसमें से हम कोई भी सब्जेक्ट ले सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर नीड्स. जैसे अगर मुझे चाहिए तो अगर मुझे टेक्निकल लाइन में जाना है तो मेरे लिए फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, मैथ्स मस्ट है. सो विद दैट एडिशनल आई कैन कीप इंग्लिश, नॉट सोशल. सो विद दैट आई कैन कीप एडिशनल कंप्यूटर साइंस हो गए हमारे, फिर फिजिकल एजुकेशन, होम साइंस, वॉट एवर आई वॉन्ट टू डू. इवन आई कैन गो विथ आर्ट्स एंड ड्राइंग, स्टफ लाइक दैट ओनली in the additional subject wale part. So with that I have decided to go with computer science. That will also help to improve my knowledge in the science. तो brain आपका clear रखना, आपको कौन से field में जाना है is very important. Like I will paste here few pictures जो आपको दिखाएंगे और समझाएंगे कि हमें किस लाइन में जाना है और हमारे स्ट्रीम्स को लेके क्या क्या हमारे पास स्कोप्स अवेलेबल हैं. I will paste it right there so you can see it clearly. So as you have seen, like if we are going to take science, in which that is there are 2 kinds. Okay, पहले तो हो गए हमारे फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, मैथ्स. सो इन फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, मैथ्स हमें टेक्निकल लाइन, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि जो फील्ड में मुझे जाना है, IT टेक्नोलॉजी रिलेटेड टू दैट, जिसमें हम जा सकते हैं. एंड द सेकंड इज फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री एंड बायोलॉजी. इन कैन परस्यू आवर करियर एज अ डॉक्टर. अगर हमें डॉक्टर वाले लाइन में अपना करियर परस्यू नहीं करना है तो हम इसमें एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट्स में भी जा सकते हैं. इफ़ वी टेक बायो. सो साइंस के तो यहाँ और भी बहुत सारे हैं स्कोप्स. So I will do the base. I will take only the basic that will help the students like 11th graders only. So दूसरे हो गए हमारे कॉमर्स. Like अभी के टाइम में कॉमर्स is very popular subject. Like many of the students wanted to take commerce, but there is also a difference. Like there is first the commerce with maths and the other is commerce without maths. So commerce with maths में you can easily go and do stuffs like pursue your career in field like of CA, chartered accountant हो गए, फिर CMS हो गए, इस टाइप के लाइन में. एंड द अदर वन इज कॉमर्स विदाउट मैथ्स. सो जिसमें अकाउंटेंसी ये सब रेगुलरली ये सब करवाते हैं. So that is also a very great option for you guys to pursue commerce. Like some say that commerce is very easy. There is also discrimination between the commerce student and a science one. So basically commerce और science students के बीच में अलग ही rivalries होती हैं. Like they used to say that, so the commerce students will used to say that the commerce is best option and the science students used to say that science is the best option. The student has every field open that if he or she takes science. Like seriously, but I don't believe in such kind of stuff. If you are motivated and you have your mind determination straightforward that which subject or which stream you want to take next for your future, it will give you a good result if you work hard on it. So now coming to the arts faculty. Like most of the people say no, the arts is not a great subject. यहाँ तो जो लोग पढ़ने में तेज़ नहीं होते हैं वो आर्ट्स लेते हैं, या इसी टाइप से बहुत सारी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन वाली बातें होती हैं जो जब स्टूडेंट्स आर्ट्स परस्यू करते हैं. बट इन माई व्यू arts is a very good subject, like a really good subject. If a one is interested in arts, he or she can do anything, like civil services से लेके आर्किटेक्ट वाली फील्ड में भी. एंड देयर आर सो मैनी फील्ड्स ओपन फॉर द आर्ट्स स्टूडेंट्स. जो लोग बोलते हैं कि आर्ट्स वाले स्टूडेंट कुछ नहीं कर सकते, एक्चुअली दे डू इट वेरी वेल. जितने भी आपके सिविल सर्वेंट्स हैं उनसे जाके पूछिए, मोस्ट ऑफ देम हैव टेकन आर्ट्स. जस्ट बिकॉज इट डजंट मीन्स दैट जो स्टूडेंट आर्ट्स ले दे आर वीक इन स्टडीज. Civil services exams is still very competitive exam. that no one can clear it easily, or they are very lucky who clear it in the first attempt. Like जो students ने arts pursue किया है with humanities, like they can run the world like this. Like उनमें भी बहुत सारी बातें होती है, बहुत सारी क्वालिटीज़ होती हैं जिन्हें हमें जज नहीं करना चाहिए. बट लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल नाउअडेज दे जस्ट judge on the basis of the subject that the one is going to take. Like I don't believe in such kinds of discrimination, but still there is a competition in each and every field. If you do better in your field, you will be having a successful future, and that's all one student can want. Like a good grades and a good future. These two are the requirements for a successful person's life. Like BA students can also pursue career in BA journalism, hotel management, event management, LLB, teacher training courses, graphic designer, fashion designer, and so on. Like there is an endless way to get a good career in the arts stream. So there is nothing to worry about that if you are an art students and the one like आपके रिलेटिव जैसे होते हैं वो मतलब हर चीज़ में बोलते हैं. नॉट ऑल द रिलेटिव्स. आई हैव अ वेरी गुड रिलेटिव्स दैट respects all my decisions and support me whatever I am going to do. Like मुझे बहुत डर था when I was taking a decision to start a YouTube. My mom once told me that do this very carefully. Everyone's gonna watch you, what you are doing, the way you speak, the way you dressed up. But my relatives are very good in that. They never take out any mistakes or considered anything wrong in this. Like they always support me in each and everything. सो डरने की कोई बात नहीं है. तो स्ट्रीम्स लेनी है अच्छे से, जिसके लिए आप अच्छे से प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं. कीप गोइंग, कीप डूइंग इट. यू विल ग्रो अप. यू हैव टू टेक अप ऑन द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ऑन योर हेड. सो इसी तरह जैसे जैसे हम बड़े होते हैं हमारे सब्जेक्ट्स की डिफ़िकल्टीज भी बढ़ती हैं, तो उन्हें हमें फेस करना आना चाहिए rather than running away from it. Like I have heard from many students, like they used to say that no, science is very tough, I can't do that. But most students say that no, science is very good, I am confident that I am going to take this and I will pursue a good career in this. So that's the thing that you want to clear out, that you have to be a straight and clear mind, because उससे दूसरे का कुछ नहीं होना है. जो होना है आपको करना है. आपकी फ्यूचर है, आपकी लाइफ है, उसे किस तरह और किस मोड पे लेके जाते हैं. अगर आपसे कोई गलती होती है तो आपके पास बहुत चांसेस भी आएंगे संभालने के. सो बी रेडी फॉर दैट. सो रिमेंबर वन थिंग, कोई सब्जेक्ट्स हार्ड नहीं होते. आपको बस उन्हें फेस करना और उन्हें एक्सेप्ट करना आना चाहिए द वे दे आर. लाइक जिस फील्ड में आपको नहीं जाना होगा, आपको फोर्सफुली उस तरफ जाना होगा. सो इससे अच्छा है कि आप प्री प्लान कर ले सब चीज़, पहले से अपनी माइंड मोटिवेटेड रहे. Motivation is the best thing a student can have. Like nowadays student get so much anxiety. Even I have faced so many anxieties, as I have also told you earlier in this video. But I know how to deal with my anxieties. How to be happy is one of the best and the most important for you in a student phase. आपको अच्छे से जानना होगा कि आप कैसे खुश रहें, आप क्या चीज़ कर रहे हैं जिससे आपको खुशी मिले, आप कौन से जगह पे मोटिवेटेड रहें. Two things that matters in a student life is happiness and be motivated. So अगर आप में ये दोनों चीज़ है तो you are good to go. Otherwise you have to work on it to be motivated, to be happy. तो आप उसमें अच्छे से अपने पे वर्क कर सकते हो. लाइक बी ऑलवेज चिल, रिलैक्स. लाइक जो होगा देखा जाएगा. डोंट स्ट्रेस टू मच. लाइक आजकल के बच्चे स्ट्रेस करते करते ही अपनी सारी लाइफ काट देते हैं. इवन आई एम वन ऑफ दी दोज स्टूडेंट्स जो बहुत स्ट्रेस लेते हैं. बट नाउ आई हैव लर्न दैट हाउ टू स्टे हैप्पी एंड हाउ टू बी मोटिवेटेड एवरी सिंगल टाइम. Like now I have learned how to be happy and how to be motivated each and every single time. तो मुझे अब उस समय कोई चीज़ की प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती है, एंड आई एम वेरी क्लियर माइंडेड. मुझे आगे क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. सो आई एम सॉर्टेड विथ ऑल दैट. So I hope this video help you guys to find and clear out the way that you are searching for. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope I have helped you in few way to figure it out and clear out in your head what you want to do in your future. So if you are new to this channel, so go subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification button so you can receive every single notification whenever I post a new video. So thank you, have a good day, bye.